What's up, people? Welcome back to the parts guys. This video was going to be the one where I did the timing belt on my setup, but it didn't go exactly as planned. So kind of what I'm going to do with this one is just give you guys an idea of the worst case scenarios of what can happen when you're trying to do the timing belt on a 200,000 mile motor that's spent its whole life in the Midwest. But yeah, as you can see, we're halfway through there. I'm going to show you guys how we got to this point. I got JJ over there. You know, he's looking all ominous with the halo light above him. But we're working on the timing belt today. We're going to get this all apart. He's going to play the role of my master mechanic so I don't have to keep looking up videos on YouTube. And he's going to keep me on task because I'm very, very bad with time management. We're going to take off this 19 mil holding the crank pulley on. They do sell this little guy here to help make it easier, but we're gonna see if we can take it off with just the impact for now. And you know, I don't know, if it doesn't work, we'll go ahead and pop this out and use it, but for now we're gonna try and do it the easy way and just zip it off. Yeah. Bust the tool out.
Well, we don't need to yet.
Alright, so impact didn't take it off on its own. We put a couple crank bolts back in there, and now we stuck a pickle fork in there, and that's going to get held in place, just wedged against there, and try and hold that crank into place while we just use the breaker bar on it. I'm going to try and manhandle this because, you know, that makes sense. Right, big guy?
Yeah. I'm like, well, I just want to do it.
You want to do it? Ah, I got you. You can do it if you want. I may need you to.
Rust.
Yeah. Whoa.
Not the part Pop said wanted.
I'm gonna rip it right off the stand. Oh, it pulled the bolt out? Ooh. I don't know. Alright.
That's what rust does.
Ta-da!
Maybe just run this motor till you blow it up. I never had that happen.
See, the deadlude, man. Things just can't take the deadlude, bro. Like, it just can't. It's got a lifetime warranty at O'Reilly, so we're gonna go test that warranty out and see if they'll give me another one real quick. Well, we got more tools, so I replaced the lifetime warranted one that I had that lasted like 7 minutes, and we went and picked up JJ's, and we have soaked it yet again in PB Blaster.
You still need a hammer. I want to hit on it.
We're gonna hit it with a sledge because, you know, where that's gonna help. It's definitely gonna help. It'll be great, and if it don't, it'll feel good. This is exactly how I saw this going, actually. I'm not even gonna lie. A little more. Oh, let's see. If it's broken, we might as well break it all the way.
Oh.
Dude, you broke it loose! Woo! That is awesome. Yeah, I don't want to break your hand. No way. That is awesome. Dude, this is like straight up.
Yeah, we did with what we had, and
yep. Man, we started this well over an hour ago.
now, well, let's make sure we get this off.
Yeah.
But it should come off.
Alright. So he's got the bolt out. Oh, yeah, and I caught her. She didn't get hurt. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Now,
JJ!
get
Get the rest of the work done.
it'll take half the time that it took to get that off.
Yeah, exactly. So from here,
well, it should.
remember it's deadlude, bro. Deadlude. All right. So from here, we're gonna take the valve cover off. We're just gonna work top to bottom until we got the whole timing set nice and exposed. And I'm sure it's gonna be nice and greasy in there. We'll have to clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And I should have all the seals I need if I need them. So pretty sure.
Yep.
Might have to dig a little bit.
Really just a bunch of 10 millimeters and a couple hoses.
Look at that. There is gravel. That was back behind my timing cover.
That's what race cars do.
Race cars. Alright, we're gonna take that bolt back out.
14 millimeter. It's the lock for the.
It's the lock for the tensioner there.
Yeah, it's a tensioner.
Yeah, I got your back, bro. JJ, the speed demon. Balance shaft belt is off. Now I gotta wiggle that pulley off so that we can actually get the main timing belt off. You can straight up like see the ribs of that thing, dude. Through the backside.
Yeah. Yeah, see, it's the intake one that turned.
Notched a little bit. Oh, it turned a little bit in. I see that. That's not too bad.
And that's what the thing. So we're gonna need pressure lines.
Yeah, I got you. So that we can lock on to in between the lobes there and get that. So he's taking the tensioner off now. Yep.
It's easier to get through the water pump if this isn't on, but this has to come off to get this off. So if we're changing this, we might as well take it off. We could do it without taking this off. It just makes it, you know what I mean?
I got you. Like a madman. See, JJ was itching to work on something.
Yeah.
He was harassing me on Instagram.
I didn't think he loved me no more.
Oh, it should be as empty can be. Might gush a little.
You got. Oh. Got her. Not that dry. Big balling. Oh.
What? No way. So, JJ discovered something not so great. He just opened up the package. Look at that fin. Look at that. Those are two of the impellers. That's a son of a bitch.
It's a Gates kit too.
It's a Gates kit.
I was
he
just
just
saying,
opened it there.
Look at nice Gates. Look at with that.
Yeah. Made in China. Alright, so normally I get away with my eBay parts and it's not too big of a deal. But apparently it's supposed to be Gates, but this one has apparently been damaged in shipping.
It says Gates on it.
Yeah?
It just got damaged in shipping.
Yep, it's damaged in
It was
shipping.
sitting like that on these bearings.
So it just straight up cracked in there.
I think are supposed to be over here.
Oh, that's such a pain.
Somewhere like that, and this guy's supposed to be over here.
Well, that's beautiful agony.
Not being.
We've gone through one of the crankshaft pulley tools that shattered off the bat. Now we're down a water pump, so that's another major
I
setback.
have a water pump. It's not a Gates water. Oh no, I don't, because you have a
Yeah, if I got an H23.
Yeah, that series, I got you all day.
One trick to getting this balance shaft nut off is stick like a number 2 Phillips down in there, and that should be nice and snug so that you can hold that in place while we take that bolt off. JJ is right on time. Yeah, buddy. And I can hit that bolt right there. Look at that. That's like it was designed for it, man. Get a little better grip.
Just don't.
All right. You thought it broke? You thought the bolt broke?
Yeah.
Well, thank God that's not the case.
It's just my wrist.
Oh, it's just your wrist that broke. Excellent.
Like that?
Yep. You see it right in the center? You pull it off. Try not to lose it in the process.
Yep. That's the whole point.
The one end's like a half moon. You can see that there. But now we can pull that guard out of place. Look at that. Ah, that's like the cleanest, freshest part. That's the cleanest, freshest part. Wouldn't it be some crap if we like take that off and then put it back on and put it in and it's got no crank signal?
See, now if that happens, it's your fault. But they do get stuck and break. But there are ones that will just slide right off.
Yeah.
90% of the time, in my experience, they just slide right off. But this is the dead dude. Or at least the dead dude's motor. Like, oh, you think the dead dude's dead? No, it's not dead.
Ooh, it's close. Well, it didn't survive, but it's off. Since we broke this gear here, I had to take off the other gear from the old motor, and that one, it's funny, this one fought us just like everything else on this motor, but this one came off of that other motor like butter. We did it in 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes, and in the middle of the night, in the dark. So we got that done. That was super easy. That's how it should have gone, and I wish I would have recorded that, because that one could have just been a quick video. But this one isn't a quick video because of all the problems we faced with just getting the crank bolt broken loose to begin with, breaking the tool, breaking the gear, having the broken water pump. You know, from here we've had parts failures, we had new parts failures, and you know, just stubborn bolts. I do hope that maybe this can help some of you guys. You know, maybe it's just gonna scare you out of doing the job yourself, but you know, sometimes it's nice to see what the worst possible scenario is, because most of the videos you see on YouTube are all people doing it right the first way, no problems, and then you try to do it and you struggle. It's not you, it's just how it goes, man. But yeah, so I'd like to thank JJ for actually helping me get this far. He's going to come over again possibly tonight, and we'll change out all those seals and put the timing belt on. But that's going to do it for this video, and until next time, I'm Dan, the Prelude Dude, and this is the Parts Guys. I'll see you later.